A charge q is placed at the center of the line joining. A charge, yes. A charge q is placed at the center of the line joining two equal charges plus q. The system of the three charges will be in equilibrium if q is equal to, this is q, this is q, capital Q, and small q is at the center. So this is small q. The system of three charges will be in equilibrium if q is equal to, then this q is equal to minus q by 4. This is a standard problem. Okay. See, at the center of these two charges, at the center of these two charges, electric field is 0. Therefore, force is 0. This charge will be at rest. So this is already in equilibrium. And we have to check whether these two are in equilibrium or not. If you can check for one charge, that is true for second charge also, because these two are identical charges. Okay. Now, let r be the distance between q and q. The second distance is also r. These two are identical charges, q and q. Because of q and q, this charge experiences repulsion in this direction, isn't it? So there is repulsion between these two. Observe this charge. Because of repulsion, this charge experiences force in this direction. Suppose force between these two is in this direction and magnitude of this equal to magnitude of this, then the resultant force is also 0. Means force on q due to small q should be equal and opposite to force on q due to capital Q. So let me write force on this q due to small q equal to force on this charge due to other capital Q. What is the expression for force? Force is constant q1 q2 by r square. So in this case, constant q1 q2 capital Q small q by r square, distance square, equal to force between these two means distance between these two is r plus r 2r. So in the denominator 2r whole square constant q q q q constant capital Q constant capital Q r square r square. So we are left with q capital Q by 2 square is 4. So this small charge should be q by 4. Next, these two are identical charges. Then there is repulsion. This is the force. There should be attraction between these two. This is already positive. To experience attraction, this charge should be negative, isn't it? That is why this charge q is actually minus q by 4. That is why minus q by 4. Minus q by 4. If system is in equilibrium means all the three charges should be at rest or they should move with uniform velocity. That is the meaning of equilibrium. Rest or uniform velocity. Four charges are arranged at the corners of a square as shown. If E is magnitude of electric intensity at the center due to Q, one of the charges Q, then resultant electric intensity at the center is, at the center this is one diagonal, second diagonal. Because of minus Q, electric field is towards. because of Q, electric field is E. Because of minus Q, magnitude is E, but towards, minus sign towards. Because of minus Q, towards. So this is E, this is also E. These two are equal and opposite, get cancels. Now, because of plus 2Q, electric field is away and the magnitude is 2E. Because of minus 2Q, minus charge towards, this is also 2E. See, 2E and 2E are in the same direction. So resultant should be equal to 4E. So first, 4E. Positive charge, electric field at some point means we should draw arrow away from that point. If it is negative charge, then we should draw the vector at that point towards, and initial point is at that point. Initial point of the vector should be at that point, P. Okay. 100 charges are arranged along the circumference of a circle symmetrically. If E is magnitude of electric field at the center of the circle due to any one charge, the resultant electric field due to the entire charge distribution is 0. If this is a circle with number of charges placed symmetrically, then the resultant field at the center is 0. Okay. Now understand this. If there are two charges, identical charges Q and Q, then at the center electric field is 0. If it is an equilateral triangle like this, identical charges, then at the centroid, at this point, electric field is 0. If it is a square, intersection of the diagonals, nothing but at the center. If there are 4 identical charges, the 4 charges are equidistant from the center. So at the center, electric field is 0. It could be a square or a rectangle. Electric field at the center is 0. If it is a pentagon, though the pentagon looks little weird, then also because of uniform charge distribution, electric field at the center is 0. Okay. Electric field at the center is 0. So for any charge distribution, symmetric charge distribution, electric field at the center is 0. That is why 0. So unknowingly, you'll be covering a lot of questions. Please observe this. You need explanation like this. If you don't get explanation like this, then it is your job. It is the student's job to sit and think the alternatives. Okay. 4 charges are arranged at the corners of a square as shown. The direction of electric field at the center of the square is along. Observe, this pair of charges are dominating the entire system, and these two are positive, so resultant of these two should be in this direction. So it is along DC. Let us check. Because of plus Q, electric field is away. Electric field is E. Because of plus 3Q, electric field is away. And this electric field is 3E. Resultant of these two is in this direction. E, 3E. 3E minus E is 2E. So this is the direction of 2E. This is center of the square. Okay. Similarly, because of positive charge 2q, electric field is away and magnitude is 2e. Because of plus 4q, electric field is away, magnitude is 4e. 2e in this direction, 4e in this direction. Resultant of these two is in this direction, isn't it? And 4e minus 2e is 2e. Now there are two vectors. To find the resultant, complete the parallelogram, draw the diagonal. This is the resultant of 2e and 2e, or this is the resultant of these four charges, which is in the downward direction. Downward direction is D to C. So along DC. Four identical positive charges are arranged at the corners of a pentagon as shown. The direction of electric field at the center of the pentagon is four charges, but it is a pentagon. Okay. The direction of electric field at the center. If there are 5 charges, if this is the pentagon, there are 5 charges, then the resultant equal to 0. Resultant at the center is 0. Okay. Means if this charge is included in this system, then the resultant becomes 0. But what is the direction of electric field due to this charge? If it is positive, then the electric field is away. So in this diagram, because of this imaginary charge, electric field is away. Means this effect is nullified by all other 4 charges. Effect of this imaginary charge should be nullified by other charges, means the electric field due to other charges should be equal and opposite to this charge. This is due to imaginary charge. This should be due to these 4 charges, thereby resultant of 5 charges is 0. If there is this 5th charge, resultant is 0. Because of this charge, this is the electric field, we know. Therefore, the resultant electric field due to 4 charges should be this. And this direction is along OE. Along OE. Again, let me explain. Let me give an example. 5 plus, there are 5 corners, right? Let me write 5 numbers. 5 plus A plus B plus C plus D should be equal to 0. See, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay. Resultant should be 0 means if this 5th number is 5, what is the sum of these 4, A, B, C, D? Sum of A, B, C, D should be minus 5, isn't it? If this is 5, sum of these 4 should be equal and opposite to this. Not opposite, equal and opposite sign. Thereby resultant is 0. Similarly, the electric dipole moment of proton-electron system separated by 1 angstrom is, dipole moment is charge into distance. Charge is electric dipole moment for proton-electron 1.6 minus 19. 2a, distance between the charges 1 angstrom, 10 power minus 10. So it is 1.6 10 power minus 29. 1.6 10 power minus 29. What is the common mistake here? Separation between the system is 1 angstrom means students will try to substitute 1 angstrom for A. They will retain this 2. If they retain this 2, they'll get 3.2. 3.2 is also there in the options. Okay, be careful. A charge Q is placed at the center of a cube. flux through each face of the cube is. So Gauss theorem, flux equal to total charge enclosed by epsilon naught. If there is a cube, and a charge at the center means the cube has 6 faces. Therefore, flux through each face. Flux through each face means there are 6 faces. Therefore, total flux equal to 1/6 of q by epsilon naught. Flux through each face 1/6. If there is a sphere, and charge at the center of the sphere is q, what is the flux through each hemisphere? Hemisphere is half of the sphere. Okay. What is the flux through half of the sphere means there are 2 halves. Therefore, half of q by epsilon naught. Similarly, this cube has 6 faces. Therefore, 1/6 of q by epsilon naught. What is the effect of speed on the charge and mass of a particle as speed approaches that of light? Means as speed increases. Speed increases means charge remains constant, whereas mass increases. So this is one observation. This is the outcome of one of the theories called special theory of relativity, where mass increases with the increase in velocity. So velocity increases means mass also increases, whereas charge remains constant. And this is from one of the properties of charge. Charge is not affected by motion. Okay. So q is constant, m increases. Q remains constant, but m decreases. Q remains constant, well, m increases. When a soap bubble is given a positive charge, its radius increases. Instead of positive charge, if negative charge is given, then its radius. This is the bubble, okay? Center of the bubble. Let radius be 1 centimeter. If the bubble is given positive charge, radius increases. That's because of mutual repulsion. Radius increases. Radius increases. Instead of positive charge, if negative charge is given, then also because of mutual repulsion, radius increases. So in both the cases, radius increases. What is the common mistake here? Positive charge, radius increases means for negative charge, radius decreases. Students, remember, in both the cases, radius increases because of repulsion. Increases. The direction of electric field at a point in the field of a point positive charge is point positive charge. Direction of electric field is away from the charge, radially outward or away from the charge. Towards, away, towards or away, neither positive nor neither towards nor away. Since it is positive charge, it should be away like this. If it is negative charge, electric field is towards. If they mention because of point charge, electric field at some point, and they are not mentioning whether it is positive or negative, means it can be away or towards. That option is also there. Towards or away from the charge. Okay. Since point positive charge is mentioned, it is away.